Do you want to learn how to paint this colorful dragonfly, but you don't have much experience with watercolors? Hi, I'm Eliza, the watercolor witch. I'm an illustrator and a watercolor art teacher. I've taught more than 20,000 students all around the globe on how to watercolor with ease. I make art tutorial videos so that you can forget stressing out when it comes to creating your own paintings. My goal for you is to upgrade your painting skills while you are having fun. So, in this class, not only you will be learning how to paint this dragonfly with the colorful watercolor splashes and the lotus flowers and the moons, but I'll be sharing my secret tips and tricks so that you can improve your watercoloring skills even more faster. I created this class for all levels of experience, so if you are a newbie watercolorist, don't worry. If you take this class, you will have tons of fun with it. Moreover, I'm here to personally help you if you have any questions. In the class, I'm going to talk about how to paint the dragonfly from zero to hero in an understandable and easy way, even if you don't have any background in animal painting at all. Also, I will talk about how to create colorful watercolor paint drops and splashes easily, how to paint the lotus flowers and the leaves. Moreover, you can practice basic drawing and inking techniques with me. While in other classes, you need to sketch the project yourself, in this beginner-friendly class, I included a downloadable line art template which takes away the stress of having to produce a sketch before the painting. Though for those who love challenges, I created a bonus lesson where I show you how to draw the line art of this painting. So there's nothing to risk here, all you need to do is enjoy the painting process. So it's time to take action, grab your brushes and see you in the class.